Hi, I'm Jacob Tobar. This is a brand new series designed to help you understand the importance of how you think. Some of us invest time in our bodies, some in our families, some in our jobs, but how much do we truly invest into the quality of our own thinking? Your mental health is highly important, and throughout this series, we're going to consider unlearning unhealthy thinking processes, replacing them with helpful, healthy thinking, and transforming you and your surroundings to complement a fresh, healthy thinking lifestyle. Speaking to schools, I noticed that students had a common problem. They have no clue what they want to do with their lives after they graduate. You see, so many of us already have those same thoughts going through our mind, whether we're in college, whether we graduated from college, or whether we're a student thinking about going to college. It's super important that we give some type of thought into what we want to do with our lives. But as you and I know, it doesn't just start there. It starts in our past. Speaking to schools, I noticed also that these kids had this total belief that they're not enough. Every day when they come to school, they don't know exactly what they're coming to school to do. And if we look back when we were in school, we may have had those thoughts from time to time. There's a handful of us that had been working on our goals, our purpose, our visions at a very young age. And most times it's because we had either a mentor or positive families or a positive atmosphere that we either were born into or created. Throughout this series, I want to help transform your surroundings to make it more successful for you, not just in your physical life, not just financially, but mentally. You see, every single successful story all started with a positive mental mindset. I reached a point in my life when I became homeless, and as I worked my way from being in that homeless situation, I promised myself that if I was to get out, if I was to break free, if I were to turn my life around, then I would spend my life helping other people realize how awesome they are. Let's face it, you're probably not homeless, but I can tell you that in those days of me being homeless, my mind was actually eating itself alive. Every thought that came into my mind was a thought of scarcity, a thought of lack, a thought of not having anything. But I realized that once I found out who I was, I found out that there was something more important than just me. My entire life changed forever. The way that I look at things, the way that I look at people, the way that I approach situations, and the way I handle problems that come into our lives. It's all different now. It's a life of less stress, less anxiety, less, I enjoy doing work because work's not work anymore. I enjoy my family because I truly love them. I enjoy my relationships because I embrace them. I enjoy my beautiful fiancée because I love her to life. Everything happens with a single thought, and what that thought does to you, it's magical. So welcome to a brand new series, and the first